Alright, I want to show you guys digital picture frame I picked up on Amazon. Uh, the company, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Kimire, I think. Kimire. I got this one because it had all the functions that I liked. You can plug a USB drive into it, takes extra memory, SD card, Wi-Fi, of course, auto rotate, 1080, uh, um, resolution, 30 FPS, and I think it's great. I've been using it as I just downloaded a little video of a fireplace. I've been using it as my virtual fireplace, but you can also go in and set up pictures. Let's see, you can have set up to do a slideshow of your pictures on there. And I just think it's great. When I'm doing the virtual fireplace, you just go to video and just plays that on a loop. You can find these fireplace videos online really easily. And I just have this transparent orange sheet here for nighttime. This just makes it a little more, reduces the brightness. You can also go in and reduce the brightness in the settings, but I just like to put this in front of it. It makes it a little easier to sleep because it dims it. But anyways, this is I'll put a link in the video description, but just wanted to share my little idea for a virtual fireplace using digital picture frame. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.